Today is the day. I'm so excited. I have been waiting for this box right here. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But first, maybe I should even tell you who I am. Just in case you've never watched one of my videos before. Guys, I am Jami Jo, and I'm with Jami Jo Sells Wax. As you could tell, I have a partnership with Scentsy Fragrance, and I have been partnered with them since all the way back in 2008, so over 14 years now. We have had a lot of new and exciting things come to us through the Scentsy world in those 14 years, but this right here, this Whiff box, is one of the things that I absolutely love. So we started offering Whiff boxes, I'm gonna guess maybe 2, maybe 3 years ago. And what a Whiff box is, this box is a surprise. Every single month, it changes every month, and it's a surprise every month. Consultants don't even know what's going to be in the Whiff box each month until the first of the month when we can order it. Now, I'm down in Oklahoma, so I have to wait for my box to be shipped to me. But I do have a few friends that live really close to Boise, Idaho, where a lot of our products are made and where our warehouses are. So I have some friends that get little sneak peeks and share them with me. So I've actually shared it on my Facebook page, a fun little sneak peek of what's in this box. But I got mine today, and I am so excited to open it because there are things in here that I'm keeping for myself. This is mine this time. I'm not selling it to no one. Nobody can have it. It's completely and all mine. You can get your very own, but this one's mine. You don't get it. Okay, let's jump right in, see what's in the Whiff box. Real quick, before we do that, I want to tell you, Whiff box has 3 different price points. The exact same box, the exact same stuff. You can pay $35, $31.50, or $17. So keep that in mind as we go through the box, and then at the end of the video, I will explain the different price points and how you can get it for the different prices. So guys, I haven't even opened this up. I'm so excited. Woo, doesn't that look fun? Well, I mean, maybe it doesn't. But let me explain why there's a big ice bag in there. First of all, let's jump right into the ice bag. So Scentsy tracks the weather and the temperature of wherever the shipments are going to. Obviously, we're a wax company and stuff melts. So they ice pack things. How awesome is that? They put stuff in ice packs so that customers will always get the best experience. Now, I hang on to these bags, and I hang on to my ice packs too. Those bags are just great padded bubble mailers. They're great for cushioning things when you're packing. The ice packs, hello, it's an ice pack. Put it in the freezer. It's great to have on hand. What was in the ice bag? It was 2 bars of wax. So I'm just gonna set them to the side right now. We're gonna go through, see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so stinking excited. Okay, so every month there's a fun little paper that gives like the theme of the box. And this one says, let's be adventurers. And it kind of gives you a little sneak peek of something you might find in the Whiff box for this month. Let's jump right in. I am going to unwrap the thing that's getting all the buzz in the Whiff box. And it's this little box right here. This is one of our mini fan diffusers. But wait, because we've never seen this design before, and everyone is losing their freaking mind over it. Friends, can you see right here that I'm a fan of the animal print? And look at that mini fan. How freaking adorable is that? So if you don't know what a mini fan diffuser is, you need to know because you're gonna want one. Mini fan diffusers are like the most compact, most travel friendly, easiest to use fragrance product that is no spill, no mess, no fuss, la 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 la, all the things. So this little doodad right here comes with a cord that has a USB port. So you plug this part in right here. There we go. And this end, you can plug into your computer. You can plug into your car. You can plug it into an electrical converter thing, just like a phone charger. So you can use this baby anywhere. So when you plug it in, this fan that's down inside there will start to spin. And guys, we know what a fan does. It blows air. So it's going to blow air past the Scentsy pods, and you get a pack of pods in pink rhubarb sugar. Very tart, but very sweet. So yummy. So this is a Scentsy pod. It's just a little plastic cage. It's got little fragrance beads inside of there. So you are going to put it on there just like that. If it's sitting on a tabletop, a desk, anything like that, you can just set it on there. But here's my fun little hack for you, especially if you're using it in the car. If you just find where the sticker around the pod that gives the fragrance name, just find the end of it, peel it off. Then you're going to set your pod right there on the mini fan. I'm trying to do this while holding it. And then just wrap the little sticker around. Then, no matter how this is hanging or no matter what's going on with this guy, it's going to stay on there. And it's going to smell so yummy. Guys, I'm packing for a trip. And I had packed a different mini fan diffuser, but now I'm going to have to go to my pile of stuff that I'm packing and change it out, because I'm going to have to take this leopard one instead. For sure, for sure. There's more stuff in this box though. Guys, remember that it's promised to always be over a $35 price point. This month they outdid themselves because the mini fan is valued at $15. Now, reminding you that this print is not available for purchase in the catalog or even online. You have to get it in the Whiff box. So it's valued at $15, but really it's like way more than that because this is the only way you can get it. A pack of pods is $10. So right there, we're at $25 in value. We get a room spray in kukui and coconut. I absolutely love this scent. It's a recent find for me, but I love, love, love it. I have it in my closet right now. It makes my clothes smell so good. Not the room spray. I have a wall fan diffuser in my closet. I have plugins in my closet. It used to be a bedroom and then we turned it into a closet. So plugins, yeah, it's great. Kukui and coconut. Smells so yummy. These room sprays are fabulous. This might look like a teeny tiny can, but it packs a punch. I have room spray cans that we've been using for years and years and years. Of course, the room that you find this most often in is in the bathroom, but let me warn you, don't just spray this in the air, especially if you have tile, because it's gonna make the ground really slippery. What we do at our house, two different ways that we use it. If you've ever heard of Poopery, it's like an oil-based fragrance spray that you spray in the toilet before you use the toilet, and it blocks the stanky smell under the water. You can actually use Scentsy room spray the exact same way because it's an oil-based room spray. So spray it in the potty before you go to the potty and the stank stays underneath the oil. If you need the spray after you've used the restroom, just tear one square of toilet paper off, spritz that square of toilet paper and lay it in the trash can. And that works just as well. So great ways to use the room spray. That's an $8 value. We have a travel twist in Blue Grotto. This is way fun. No mess, no fuss. You just give it a twist. It opens up. There's like a little felt pad in there that is fragranced. This one's pretty strong. Some of the travel twists aren't as strong. This one's pretty strong. So travel twist, and then those two bars that I pulled out earlier. You get a bar of mango matcha, which I think is misnamed, and it should be named Peachio Candies because that's what it smells like to me. And then this, guys, I have not smelled this. Tahitian Twilight. This is our scent of the month for next month, for July, but you get a little sneak peek of it if you get the Whiff box. Oh, okay. Oh, very tropical. Florally, but not like old lady florally. Oh, I like it. It's very fresh, but florally. Very good. Okay, so you're getting 2 bars of wax. You're getting a travel tin. You're getting a room spray. You're getting a thing of pods. And you're getting the mini fan diffuser. Guys, that's a value of $52. And I told you it had 3 price points. $35. If you just go online, go to my website, place an order for it, $35. However, you should add it to Scentsy Club, because anytime you add it to Scentsy Club, it's automatically 10% off, $31.50. If you have a club order of $60 or more, you get a half price item, and it can be a Whiff box. So that makes it $17.50. $52 worth of stuff you can get for $17.50. If you don't know what Scentsy Club is, I have other full videos about it that I would love for you to watch, but long story short, it's our customer loyalty program, and it's super easy. You choose how often you want it. You choose what you want in it. You can cancel it anytime. It's free to do it. You get points, you get discounts, all the fabulous things. Guys, you need this Whiff box. Trust me. Now, it is for the month of June, but I don't know that they have enough of these cuties to last the entire month, honestly, because of the what's the word I'm thinking of? The uproar about it. I don't know that that's what I want to say, but there's been so much great publicity about this little guy that I think that it's going to sell out. So don't wait. Don't wait. Order today. So you can jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com. You can order the Whiff box there, or that's where you're going to start your Scentsy Club. There's a tab up at the top that says Club. That's how you should do it. Let me just tell you, that's how you should do it. So jump on to JamiJoSellsWax.com, get you your Whiff box. If you have any questions, feel free to text me. You can reach me at 918-888-9690. My name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and tell you, get this Whiff box. Get it.